Hill Laboratories, original developers of the SpineMed table, are pleased to release the most technologically advanced decompression table on the market today, the Hill DT. From the compact design, precise engineering, and affordable price point, the Hill DT is hard to ignore if you want the best for your clinic. The table is controlled by a powerful 10.1-inch high-definition touchscreen. The custom-built software for the DT is easy to use and can be automatically updated using an internet connection at any time. The table features two main treatment types, a cervical treatment and a lumbar treatment. There are 8 unique preset programs to choose from, all of which are outlined in detail in the user's manual. Program 1 performs 100% decompression pull with a 50% pull during the rest cycles at 30-second intervals for each cycle. Program 2 will ramp up in 30-second cycles to 100% decompression pull in 5 steps with a 50% pull during the rest cycles. When the treatment time is coming to an end, the pull will then gradually ramp down. Program 3 is similar to Program 2 in that it ramps up to 100%, but instead of a 50% pull during the rest cycles, the full 100% of the decompression force will be held for the entire treatment time. Program 4 performs an immediate 100% decompression pull and holds that pull for an entire treatment time. Program 5 is similar to Program 1, a 100% decompression pull with a 25% pull during the rest cycles. Program 6 is similar to Program 2, a 20% ramp up to 100% decompression pull with a 25% pull during the rest cycles. Again, when the treatment time is coming to an end, the pull will then gradually ramp down in 5 steps of 20%. Programs 7 and 8 are usually reserved for cervical treatments or as a follow-up program to sustained lumbar treatments. Program 7 is a 100% decompression pull with a 50% pull during the rest cycles. Program 8 is a 100% decompression pull with a 25% pull during the rest cycles. Both programs are at 5-second intervals for each cycle. On the right-hand side are the treatment settings. To set the time, simply touch the treatment time box and adjust the number using the up and down arrows. The height setting works in the same way and ranges from 26 to 35 3/4 inches. Touch and hold the arrows and the table will elevate to a comfortable working height. The angle setting tilts either the pelvic or cervical section of the table with a range from 0 to 25 degrees for a lumbar treatment and up to 15 degrees for a cervical treatment. The poundage setting is the maximum force for the amount of decompression pull. The force on the Hill DT is precise and focused. A typical lumbar treatment is set at 25% of the patient's body weight. A cervical treatment can vary and ranges from 10 to 30 pounds depending on the physicality of your patient. Setting up a treatment on the Hill DT table is designed to be fast and easy. Lay the thoracic harness flat on the table. The flexible pelvic straps are adjustable in width to accommodate any size patient. Setting 1 is for a patient weighing less than 200 pounds. Setting 2 for 300 pounds and setting 3 for a 400-pound patient. Position your patient on the table, then secure and buckle the thoracic harness. Position your patient so that the lower half of the flexible pelvic strap is above the crest of the ilium. Push in on the straps and firmly tighten the belt. During a treatment, if a patient experiences any discomfort, they can use the cutoff switch to immediately stop the treatment. Insert the pillow under your patient's head and increase the angle of the pelvic section to 20 degrees using the touchscreen. Tilting the pelvic section in this way allows for you to remove the slack when feeding the thoracic harness strap through the buckle. Place the provided adjustable stool under your patient's calves, creating a 90-degree angle. This will help flatten the lumbar region and create a more relaxing and effective treatment. Set the treatment settings to your liking. Most treatment angles will range from 5 to 10 degrees, while most poundage settings can be set at 25% of your patient's body weight. When everything is set, touch the Run button. The table will now slowly start the treatment and display the actual force on the touchscreen in real time. Your patient is now experiencing comfortable, safe, and precise lumbar decompression therapy. When the treatment is finished, the table will return and reset to a full resting position. Setting up a cervical treatment is also designed to be fast and easy. Place the provided pad over the middle section of the table to cover and cushion the gap. Insert the cervical device into the table and turn the adjustment knob to open the distance between the cervical pads about 1.5 inches. Gently position the patient's occipital region into the upper inside ridge of the cradle support with the insert pad facing the ceiling. Lightly secure the forehead straps and tighten the tension knob until the patient feels a slight inward pressure. Make sure the pads are firm enough to prevent them from sliding up and down your patient's neck. Choose cervical treatment on the touchscreen and select your program. You may also adjust your treatment time, height, angle, and poundage. Again, average poundage for a cervical treatment is between 10 to 30 pounds of force depending on your patient's size and condition. When you are finished with your settings, touch the Run button. The head end of the table will start to move and should separate about 1.5 inches from the thoracic cushion. Your patient is now experiencing accurate and calculable cervical decompression that is unique to the Hill DT. The pause button can be used during any treatment if you would like to change the treatment time, angle, or poundage settings. Consecutive treatments can be automated using the dual treatment feature located on the left-hand side of the touch screen. Touch Single Treatment to toggle into the dual treatment mode. Choose your setting for Treatment 1. For this lumbar treatment, we are choosing Program 1 with a treatment time of 10 minutes, angle of 10 degrees, and a force of 45 pounds. When you are finished, touch the Set Treatment button. Now you may choose your treatment settings for Treatment 2. In this example, we are choosing Program number 7 with a treatment time of 10 minutes, an angle of 5, and a force of 50 pounds. When you are done, don't forget to touch the Set Treatment button one more time. When you are ready to start, touch the Run button to begin the 2 consecutive treatments. The Hill DT comes with software that can record, repeat, and store individual treatments. To start recording treatments, touch the Select Patient button on the main screen. A new screen will appear where you can create, load, and delete individual doctor and patient identities. To create a new doctor, touch the New button. Type in the ID you would like to use and touch Enter. Next, touch the New button to create a new patient ID. When a new patient is entered for the first time, you will be immediately brought back to the main screen. Choose your settings and run a treatment to create the first record. After the treatment is finished, all the details of the treatment will be displayed in the record on the Patient Select screen. To repeat a treatment, highlight the row you would like to repeat and touch the green Repeat Treatment button. This will also create a new record with the date, time, and all the settings changed or unchanged. Unlimited patient and doctor IDs can be stored in the database. To filter through them, simply choose the ID you would want to view and touch Load Records. This will display records that contain that particular ID. The database also has the ability to be transported to your other office computers. Insert the supplied portable USB drive into the back of the touchscreen and touch the Download button. This will copy the database to the drive. Hill Laboratories has opened a new chapter in decompression therapy with the Hill DT. With its impressive precision, superior design, and sensible price, the Hill DT is emerging as the premier decompression table of choice, backed by the tradition of quality and innovation from Hill Laboratories. Hill Laboratories has been a leading manufacturer of chiropractic, physical therapy, and medical treatment tables since 1945. For questions and ordering, call us toll-free at 1-877-445-5020 or visit hilllabs.com.